This guide provides detailed instructions on how to use on-premise scanning by deploying an Ostorlab scanner on user-controlled infrastructure. Depending on your license, you can run scans on mobile applications, web APIs, and private networks. Following are the steps needed to run scans on-premise. The first step is to declare a scanner. To do that, open the navbar and click on Library. Click on Scanners. Click on New and add a name and description for your scanner. Save the scanner identifier of your scanner. It will be used by the Ostorlab scanning tool. This will create a scanner instance with the required configuration and credentials to receive scans and use Ostorlab agents to run the scans. After creating a scanner, you need first to install Ostorlab. For more details, you can follow the instructions on GitHub repository of Ostorlab. After that, log into your Ostorlab account by filling in your username and password. And run the following command with the ID of the scanner created earlier. Now to run a scan, head back to the Ostorlab platform and click on the navbar. Click Scanning and New Scan. Choose your asset, for example web app. Fill your targets, and click Continue. A section for selecting a scanner will pop up. Choose the scanner you have created previously, and click Continue. Select the scan type. Set up credentials. And click Submit. A scan will be created on the list of scans and will start on the machine where you ran the Ostorlab scanner command. This video presented a comprehensive walkthrough of on-premise scanning, spanning from the declaration of a scanner to the creation of a scan on that designated scanner.